Let's move to the south now because the sex scandal controversy in Karnataka clearly continues to heat. While his son Prajwal Revanna continues to remain missing, Father H.D. Revanna's interim bail ends today. But important to note, the conditional bail of H.D. Revanna was extended till May 20th, that is today, by the court. Earlier, a Bengaluru court extended the interim anticipatory bail granted to JDS MLA and former Karnataka minister, that is H.D. Revanna, who was arrested by the Special Investigation Team of Karnataka cops in connection with the sexual assault case. Now, the SIT probing allegations of sexual harassment against JDS MP Prajwal Revanna has opposed the bail to H.D. Revanna and accused in one of the cases. SIT, in fact, placed its objections to the court on Friday, following which the special court judge reserved orders for today. Neha, my colleague, joins me for more on this. Neha, very good morning to you. Clearly, legal respite is not there, but that's something that we would know today, considering this plea is going to be heard. But as you speak to us about H.D. Revanna, clearly the question still will remain as to what is happening with Prajwal Revanna.
Well, absolutely, Nivedana. Of course, it seems like at the moment, as far as H.D. Revanna is concerned, he's managed to get some respite there with, of course, that interim bail coming through till today. Now, of course, even as that's due today for the judge to, of course, pronounce the verdict there, we're seeing that, as far as Prajwal Revanna is concerned, it seems like the authorities currently have no information of his whereabouts, because the fact is that, in the latest, we did pick up that an arrest warrant also was issued for him. At this point, of course, it remains to be seen as to when he would be forced to come back and join the investigation, and whether, the government, of course, would be able to do justice to those victims.
Absolutely, Neha. I appreciate you getting us more context on the legal front, but more importantly, what is important here is with the fact that the victims await justice. But for